Every trip you take is a chance to pack a little bit better. In this video, we're talking alternatives to common travel essentials. Hey, I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. Over the years, we've learned what gear enhances a trip and what weighs you down. Should you bring a laptop or a tablet? What about cash or cards? We'll cover all that and more. Before we begin, we've hidden a discount code for Pack Hacker Pro somewhere in this video. The first 10 people to claim it will receive 50% off a 1-year membership. If you find it, head to packhacker.com/pro, link down in the description below. And let's dive into the video. Rolling luggage can slow you down while exploring everything a new city has to offer. We prefer backpacks because they allow for quicker adventures once we land. Plus, their flexible shape is easier to stow in the overhead compartment. When you arrive at your destination, you can hit the ground running. Rolling luggage is harder to carry around a city, so you may need to stop at your hotel or Airbnb before you can start sightseeing. With a backpack, you can head straight from the gate to a coffee shop or museum without wasting any time. It's also freeing. At the airport, eat a quick snack with one hand while checking your flight details with the other. Or take the stairs without dragging a suitcase behind you, because let's face it, who likes standing on crowded escalators anyways? We might be a little bit biased, but backpacks are sort of our thing. Check out our website for hundreds of pack reviews and detailed guides to help you find your next bag. Even with a great backpack, last-minute flight changes are inevitable and can have you rushing through the terminal. With digital documents, your information is never out of date. Add your boarding pass to Apple Wallet or Google Pay. If your gate changes, it'll update automatically and you won't have to keep checking in on a departures screen. Plus, it covers you at more than just the airport. In case of a flight delay or cancellation, you can quickly change your hotel reservations to match your new arrival. There's no need to bring 10 easy-to-lose pieces of paper. All your information is safe in the cloud while you fly through the clouds. It's also easy to share up-to-date details with friends and family. You won't be left waiting around for your ride or stuck paying for a last-minute cab. Just don't forget a portable battery bank. The biggest downside to digital documents is that you lose access to your information if your phone dies. Unless you're traveling to the Arctic, a packable puffer is a no-brainer. It takes up less space than a regular coat without sacrificing warmth. It's also a great companion for cruising at 35,000 feet. When packed down, you can use it as a neck pillow to ensure you reach your destination well rested. When layered correctly, you'll be just as comfortable in cool weather. We recommend the Patagonia Nano Puff if weight is your biggest concern. Meanwhile, the Patagonia Macro Puff is great for colder climates and is only 4 ounces heavier. Losing cash is stressful no matter where you are, but it's especially inconvenient while traveling. We prefer to use credit cards because they're easier to keep track of and are easily replaceable in case of theft. Plus, leaving behind thick wads of foreign currency keeps our wallet minimalistic and low profile. Your bank will monitor your account and flag suspicious activity. If your card is compromised, most of the time you can cancel it without losing any money. In the meantime, continue your vacation as planned with Apple or Google Pay, or withdraw money from an ATM. However, cash is still king in some countries. It's important to do your research ahead of time to see what's customary. You should bring some bills for things like street vendors and markets, but a card allows you to focus on the trip, not the coins in your pocket. Sometimes the best way to decide if it's worth bringing cash to that country is asking someone that's traveled there before. Pack Hacker Pro is the perfect place for that. It's full of welcoming individuals who are eager to share their knowledge with you. Plus, joining Pro is the best way to support us so we can keep making content to help you travel smarter. Check out the link down in the description below to learn more about Pro. And if you found that discount code, now is the time to use it. Let's get back to the gear. A Gaiter, or a buff, can do everything an eye mask can, and then some. It's designed to protect your face from sun, snow, and everything in between. However, you can also use it to cover your eyes and get some sleep on the plane or during a long layover. It's also more comfortable. Unlike most eye masks, there are no straps to rub against your ears or Velcro to pull against your hair. We like the brand Buff because they have a range of materials to choose from. Opt for merino wool if it's cold, or go with the CoolNet UV Plus if you're somewhere warm. You'll be glad to have the added versatility of a Gaiter while still getting some shut-eye. Whether or not you think water bottle pockets are a must, your hydration still needs to go somewhere. Insulated bottles take up valuable pack space, which is why we prefer to go with compressible ones. They're also much lighter. Stainless steel bottles weigh more, even when empty, while packable bottles will get slimmer as you drink. When you're out of water, stow it in your pack until you run into a fountain or refill station. One of our favorites is the Vapor Eclipse water bottle. It comes in different capacities and fits into the palm of your hand when compressed. There's also an included carabiner, so it easily attaches to the outside of your bag. Single-use plastics may be on the decline, but they're still hard to avoid. Reusable cutlery is an alternative that's easy to pack and doesn't take up too much space in your bag. Plus, you're never without a means for eating local cuisine. No more chowing down on macaroni and cheese with your bare hands or sipping a milkshake without a straw. Who does that? You'll also have a fork and a knife as backup if you can't master chopsticks. There are a ton of options out there, but over the years, we've found our favorites. The fork and knife travel set is a fork and knife duo the size of a credit card. For drinks on the go, we like Final Co's Final Straw because it's collapsible and durable. Footwear is one of the bulkiest things to pack. Bringing a single pair of versatile shoes instead of multiple types will save you valuable space and weight in your bag. It also eliminates the need for a wardrobe change. No need to stop back at your accommodations if you're wearing shoes that can go from park to party no matter what you're wearing. With that in mind, we love the Vivo Barefoot Gobi 2. They're lightweight, durable, and make for a great everyday shoe. Plus, they fit in just as well at a semi-formal dinner as they do at the bar. Eliminate stress in the airport security line by wearing a TSA-friendly belt. It's one less thing to remember to take off so you won't hold up the line. The buckles are made with either plastic or carbon fiber, so they don't set off the metal detector. They're also lightweight, which is a bonus when you're on the road. One of our favorites is the Arcade Midnighter. Its minimalistic design looks good with practically any outfit, and it has enough stretch to stay comfortable on long flights. Just remember that whether or not you can keep it on while going through the body scanner is ultimately up to your TSA officer. Tech is some of the heaviest gear to pack, and laptops are no exception. A tablet is a smaller alternative that keeps you connected without the extra weight. Unless you're working while traveling, you can likely get away with these slower processing speeds. Plus, it'll give you a chance to disconnect from the office, leaving you more rested at the end of your trip. At the end of the day, you'll still be able to do a lot of the same things. Watch an episode of your favorite show or hop on a video call with friends back home. It even doubles as an e-reader, further reducing your bag's weight. 2 birds, 1 stone. After your tablet dies, the last thing you want to do is sort through a jumble of cables. It takes time to untangle everything, and sometimes cords get damaged in the process. We prefer to bring a universal cable instead for a splash of minimalism and ease of use. This means that you'll never be without that cord that you need. Plus, you can share cables with new friends that you meet while abroad, or lend a helping hand to that one family member that always forgets their charger. We recommend the Anker Powerline 3-in-1 cable. It features a micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning connector. This will allow you to charge your iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and Bluetooth headphones all with the same cable. You can only charge one at a time though, so plan accordingly. If you don't have Apple devices, try the Nomad USB-C universal cable. It has USB-A, USB-C, and micro USB attachments. There's no Lightning cable for Apple products, but you can charge just about everything else. We all love getting that perfect shot on vacation to share with our friends and family. That said, how often do we really need to print such a high-resolution image that it could wallpaper our kitchen? A compact camera saves space and is just as capable as a DSLR. They have most of the features as a larger camera. Some even have interchangeable lenses for zooming in on distant objects. Plus, it fits into your pocket for quick access when inspiration hits. If you're a travel photographer, then this probably isn't the solution for you. However, a smaller camera takes the pressure off and allows you to enjoy your trip without the extra bulk. Don't worry, ditching a few extra megapixels won't kill your shot. Unexpected things happen to all of us while we're traveling, and how we react affects our trip as a whole. Attitude is everything, and you have the power to change yours. Don't let the small stuff get you down. Travel gives you the chance to grow as a person and learn more about yourself, which is more important than inconveniences like a canceled flight or tour. Remember that you're in a new place to experience new things, which is why we all travel in the first place. So there you have it, some versatile gear alternatives. Let us know what gear you always make space for in your bag in the comments down below. Because remember, some of the best recommendations come from you, the Pack Hacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next video.